Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Christy and today I want to show you how I make my gingerbread house. So the dough that I use to make this gingerbread house is the absolute best dough I have ever used. I just love it. It is so good. So I was so excited to share this recipe with you. And as you can see, I just use a giant house-shaped cookie cutter. I just think it's easier this way. I found this on Amazon. It actually came with an additional cookie cutter as well. So I'll give you the link to that below in the description box. But if you are new to my channel, I am sharing delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So please subscribe and help me to grow this channel. And if you hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. But let me show you the ingredients that you will need to make this amazing, wonderful gingerbread dough. Okay, so to my flour, I'm just going to add my spices and my salt and baking soda, and then I'm going to set this aside. And I'm going to be using my stand-up mixer today, but you can use a handheld mixer if you like. And to this, I'm going to be adding my brown sugar and my oil and molasses. And then I'm just going to begin to mix this until it's all nice and completely mixed through. So now I'm going to add my eggs. Okay, and as you can see, it is nice and creamy. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the flour and the spices, just about half at a time. It already smells so good. Okay, so now I'm going to add the other half. I feel like I'm backwards. Here we go. Okay, so now you should have a nice thick dough. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, as soon as I get all this dough off the paddle, I'm going to place this in plastic wrap and put this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. You can even make this the day ahead and keep it in your refrigerator overnight. Okay, I've laid a piece of plastic wrap down on my board, and then what I'm going to do is just take this dough out. Okay, so once you get all the dough out, then I'm just going to wrap this up in plastic wrap and put this in my refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Ta-da! Okay, so I have floured my board and I have pulled my cookie dough out of the refrigerator, and now I'm going to roll this out. So let me show you how I do that. Okay, I'm also going to sprinkle just a little bit on top of my cookie dough. And then I'm just going to begin to roll this out. Okay, so as you can see, I have rolled it out. It's almost about the size of my board. And it's right around 1/4 of an inch thick. And it's nice and even. So now I'm going to take my giant cookie cutter and start cutting them out. Let me show you. All right. Okay, so the trickiest part is to get them off of the board onto my cookie sheet. So what I do is I just make sure that it's good up underneath, and I get a large spatula and I just lift it over onto the cookie sheet. Okay, so once you get your giant gingerbread house cookies onto your cookie sheet, then you'll want to bake them in a 350-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, I didn't have quite enough dough to make another house, but I did make a mama gingerbread and 2 little kids. And then I went through my cookie cutters and I found this tiny little baby gingerbread. So I'm gonna see if I can roll this out and make a little tiny baby gingerbread man. Oh yeah. I got a little tiny baby gingerbread man. All right, I'm gonna move Mama onto this cookie sheet. And all her little kids. 1, 2, and little baby gingerbread. Okay, in the oven you all go. Okay, so then I'm just going to place them on a cooling rack. And then we get to decorate them. Okay, so as you can see, this gingerbread, this cookie holds up really, really nice. And if you wanted to be ambitious and buy the kits where you can build your own house, then this gingerbread would absolutely work for that. But I'm going to decorate it, and I've got a whole bunch of candy up here. I've got some gumdrops and sour cherries, peppermints, jelly beans, and I got this cookie icing that I found at Aldi. So let the decorating begin. And I know 3 little boys who are going to have so much fun decorating these gingerbread houses. I can't wait. Okay, I just want you to look at how cute this gingerbread house is. It is so adorable, and the boys had so much fun decorating their houses. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you give this recipe a try, but I will see you soon with more Christmas treats.